on my personal behalf, being the former advisor of government of Andhra Pradesh as Sports and Physical Education, let me have the pleasure of welcoming you all into our midst with thundering clapping being given by all of us. I wholeheartedly on your behalf acknowledge my sincere appreciation for Mr. Sai Baba, who was a Ranji player for himself, who left the job for the sake of sports and doing a fantastic job which has to be appreciated by everyone who has assembled here. We wish you all good luck and we are extremely happy to be with you this evening. Every paper has a sports column, whether it may be Telugu paper or English paper or Tamil paper. 2 pages are left only for sports, which are earmarked for sports in the whole world itself, not only India. It is you who propagate the sports through your journalism. And today, we are fortunate that we are celebrating the women's sport journalist on the occasion of World Sports. If you look at the women in the world, men domination world, this is whether you like it or not, I wholeheartedly say, though my wife dominates in the house, though my daughter-in-law dominates my son in the house, but to tell you honestly, the men dominating world everywhere. That's why in the reservation also, though equal population is there in India, 33% reservation is only there, not 50% reservation. So keeping all these things aside, in every word of woman, there is a man. W-O-M-A-N, woman. W-O, if you remove, there is a man.
All journalists have to be very clear about one thing, the ABC of journalism. Accuracy of what you are reporting, brevity of what you are reporting, clarity of what you are reporting. Accuracy, brevity and clarity. At the same time, it should be simple, it should be lucid, it should be euphonious. 3 qualities every journalist must bring to bear when they are writing something. Because the journalist has very little scope in terms of space. So in a short space, he must actually convey things much beautifully, and that is where the skill of the journalist comes in, and that is where the attention and concentration comes into play. The other very important thing I will look at is that a snapshot. What are you doing? The entire game is played for 90 minutes, you are giving a snapshot of it. And that snapshot must capture the entire meaning of that game in just 2 or 3 sentences. And that must be something which people are able to remember. And that is why the caption that you give, the item that you are actually highlighting, that has to be excellent. So that is where you need to think twice, thrice before you give it, so that in one word you are actually able to capture what you wish to say. And that is why we say a caption is catching the moment and defining the shot. Catching the moment and defining the shot. This is a very important thing for us. Also, when it comes to this, you have to, no one else can judge you. Yourself, you have to judge. That is where you say, excel yourself. Judge yourself, that if you were to read it, how would you feel about it? This, I think, is very, very important, and therefore capture the essence of the game, capture the essence of the player, and capture the environment which you should create so that people appreciate it, and in the vernacular, make it as simple as possible.
course in sports journalism from Delhi University. That's several years ago, at least about 25 years ago. The rules of journalism are the same. What Sir was elucidating was very right. But I don't think the job of a sports journalist is limited only to covering the sports itself, but the larger framework in which sports happens. That is very important. In fact, even today, with so many schools not having playgrounds, the living areas where we are residing, not having the spaces for children to be able to play and discover themselves, and children having been restricted into homes, that is a very important issue I think that we need to tackle.